Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to provide a quick overview of the classification and patient tags features. The classification and patient tag fields in the data detail screen allow you to assign specific labels to patients. These labels can include identifiers such as non-binary, transgender, or special care categories like dementia or autism. Patient tags serves as subcategories of the selected classification. For example, you might classify a patient as non-binary, then assign a tag of they/them. In this video, we will start on the settings screen where we will configure these functions first. Start by navigating to the Entity Settings tab and clicking on the Patient Setup panel. Here, you can add the relevant classifications and their associated sub-items known as patient tags. Once you've made your selections, click on the Save button. Next, go to the Data Detail screen to complete the classification and patient tags fields with the options you've configured. After saving, this information will appear in the diary screen sidebar under the Patient's Information section.